Do you care about your natural nails? Well, I do, and you should too. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a little bit of nail prep / nail care. Welcome to my channel. Please click that subscribe button. Thank you very much. I'm starting off by using a ball of cotton wool soaked in nail dissolver to clean off my natural nails. Now this will take off whatever dirt might be on the surface of my natural nails. Next off, I'm going in with a Cottage Pusher. I do not own a metal Cottage Pusher, that's why I'm using this wooden one, and I have them in excess. So, but if you're getting one of these, you should definitely get a metal one. A metal one would serve you longer, and it would also get the job done faster. Next, I'm going to be using an electric nail file to file off the cuticles I pushed back earlier. Now, I'm supposed to go in with a little bit of cuticle oil to make my cuticle area like softer and all of that, so I don't hurt myself while doing this. But I think I'll be fine. I mean, I don't plan on hurting myself or anything, but I'm going to be really careful with it. But if you have nail oil available to you, you should definitely use that on your cuticles before going with your electric nail file. Now also, if you don't have an electric nail file, you can also use a regular nail file to do this, but you're going to have to be really careful, like extremely careful, because those files are quite sharp. If you don't want to use a nail file on your cuticles, then you could also get a cuticle remover. But if you're going to be using the cuticle remover, then you definitely want to put some cuticle oil before making use of it, because if you don't, you could hurt yourself while using it. I'm done with the filing. Next, I'll just dust off whatever particles might be on my nails. Next, I'm going in with a regular nail file. Now, I'm just going to be using this file to give the tips of my nails shape. This is the edges of my nails, or more, I'm not really sure what to call it, but I'm just going to, you can see what I'm filing. So I just want to give it a very cute and fine shape. Yes, I know I don't have really long nails, but you know, we're managing ourselves there. So I just want to give it a cute shape so it can be looking all nice and chic and all of that. I'm done filing that, and I'm just going to dust off. So next, I'm going in with a buffer. Now, I know there might not really be a need for me to use a buffer, some would say, but I don't know, I always like using a buffer no matter what I do to my natural nails or when I even fix my nails, because it just, you know what a buffer does? A buffer actually just smoothens everything out, and when you use an electric nail file, there's really no much need for it, but I'm so used to using a buffer, so I always just use a buffer, and I love how it looks after I finish using the buffer. So that's what I'm just using it to do there. Now I'm done, and now I'm just dusting that off. So the next and final step for this is to get a ball of cotton wool soaked in nail dissolver and use it to clean your natural nails. See how this is what we started with and that's what we're ending with? It just seems funny to me. Anyway, so thank you so much for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it's really helpful to you. You should always care for your natural nails. It's very important that you do. Please click that subscribe button. Also like, comment and share this video. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.